You're bound to have heard a few familiar energy-saving tips before, like turning off the lights in empty rooms, only boiling the water you need for your morning cup of tea, and not spending too long in the shower. That's because building good energy habits really can lead to long-term savings. So here are 6 of our top tips that maybe you haven't tried yet. The kind of simple changes you can make at home, starting today, that can help you save energy and money. 1 degree can make all the difference. To keep heating costs down, your thermostat's a great place to start. Lowering the temperature by just 1 degree could reduce your heating bill by up to 10%. And while you're at it, why not put your heating on a timer? That way you won't waste energy while you're tucked up in bed or out and about during the day. Let there be sunlight. Curtains are great insulators, but they can keep heat out too. Throw them open in the morning and let the sun naturally warm and light your home. Then draw them again when it starts to get dark to keep the day's heat from escaping. Give your tumble dryer a break. The general rule is, the bigger the appliance, the more energy it uses. Tumble dryers are particularly power hungry, so dry your clothes outside if you can. Even in winter, you might be surprised how quickly a light breeze and a ray of sunshine can work wonders on your wet clothes. Or hang them on an airer inside when the heating's on. Say no to standby. Another simple way to reduce your energy usage is to stop leaving electronics on standby. They're still sapping electricity, so next time you've finished on your computer or done watching TV, turn them off at the plug. It all adds up. Stay cool and energy efficient. One thing you can't turn off is your fridge freezer. But for maximum energy efficiency, set your fridge to 5 degrees and your freezer to -18 degrees. It's also a good idea to defrost your freezer regularly. This will keep your food fresh without wasting unnecessary energy or money. Save with smart meters. If you don't have them yet, now could be a good time to switch to smart meters. They're fitted for free and show you how much energy you're using in real time, so you can see how you're using energy at home and work out other simple ways to save. We've got lots more energy saving tips for you at britishgas.co.uk/energy saving.